How often do you dream of a team of assistants who can think like you do, work like you work, and deliver to your standards of excellence? At Superesque, we teach you how to build that team of assistants and much more besides. Our fundamental goal is to set you up for the next stage in your career. Superesque is a hands-on guide to building AI agents to supercharge your work and career. We've designed this program for non-technical professionals, anyone who's bringing significant expertise to their context of work and is looking for ways to scale their impact. You'll learn how to build AI agents, elevate your AI game, and position yourself strategically as an advanced AI practitioner. Nick Chan, a senior learning manager for eHealth New South Wales, says, one of the most practical, future-oriented courses I've seen in this space. Rebecca Powell, People and Culture Director at Intelligence Bank, says, you've awoken my AI beast within. Finally, big ups to Anthony D'Agostino. He says this isn't just an investment in a course, it's an investment in your relevance and leadership for the next decade. Now, learning how to build AI agents is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes practice. And that is why we give you tools to enable you to continue practicing your build skills every single day. Every participant in Superesque walks away with Supernaut, our advanced AI prompt engineer who can help you create agents, workflows, whatever you desire, and Supernaut Evals, our AI improvement engineer. Supernaut Evals is specifically designed to help you systematically improve your agents and workflows. Additionally, you'll walk away with a professional evolution playbook created by the wonderful Cynthia, the program's AI career strategist. The professional evolution playbook is an extensive document tailored and personalized specifically to you that holds your feet to the fire and keeps you focused on your professional evolution journey. Superesque is not just another prompt engineering course. It is an AI level up and launchpad for the next phase in your career. Don't miss out.